For C++, it's not defined where to store exceptions, but most compilers use a special stack. For Java, as somebody wrote before, they are stored on the heap. To handle exception in both Java and C++, try, catch and throw keywords are used. There are a lot of C++ compilers and the way a C++ program There are a lot of C++ compilers and the way a C++ program is able to handle exceptions depends on the compiler you consider. If your C++ compiler does not support exceptions, you will not be able to resume the exception of the application under all circumstances. Until your C++ program supports exceptions, you will need to restore the conventional programming techniques to be able to cause resumption in the event of an error. Now, if we consider a compiler which does not support exceptions, we can use the OAC library, which provides versions of the terminate and setTerminate functions. When an error is detected, the function terminate will be called instead of raising an exception. Therefore, although the compiler does not allow to catch exceptions, it is still possible to specify a terminate function to clean up and either halt or restart the application. Finally, throws keywords and user-defined exception mechanisms are particularly using in Java to handling the exception. C++ exception is automatically called destructor functions during the stack unwinding process for all local objects constructed before the exception was thrown. Now, see how throws keyword is using in Java. If a method does not handle a checked exception, the method must declare it using the throws keyword. The throws keyword appears at the end of a method's signature. The following method declares that it throws a remote exception. Now we will see how the finally keyword is using in Java. The finally keyword is used to create a block of code that follows a try block. A finally block of code always executes whether or not an exception has occurred. The finally block executes if and only if the try block exists. There are two steps to use the finally clause. First, you need to enclose the code in a try block that has multiple exit points. Secondly, after the try block exists, place the code that must be executed in a finally clause. Here, one example is shown how finally keyword is using in Java. Next, discuss how to declare own exception. Can create your own exceptions in Java. Keep the following points in mind when you writing your own exception classes. All exceptions must be a child of throwable. If you want to write a checked exception that is automatically enforced by the handle or declare rule, you need to extend the exception class. If you want to write a runtime exception, you need to extend the runtime exception class. Can define your own exception class as below. Generics. Generics and templates, while similar in nature, are also different in many ways. The most outstanding of these differences is that while templates are implemented by the compiler, generics are instantiated at runtime by the CLR's execution engine. Java generics are similar to C++ templates in that both were added for the same reason. The syntax of Java generics and C++ templates are also similar. There are some differences, however. The C++ template can be seen as a kind of macro that generates code before compilation. The generated code depends on how the template class is referenced. The amount of code generated depends on how many different types of classes are created from the template. C++ templates do not have any runtime mechanisms. The compiler creates normal code to substitute the template, similar to any handwritten code. In contrast, Java generics are built into the language. The same class object handles all the generic type variations. No additional code is generated. No matter how many generic objects are created with different type parameters. We will show some code using templates and then show the equivalent code using generics. Here is typical native class template. Looks just about identical, except that instead of template, the keyword to be used is generic.